one who is known to be an enemy of Islam and the Muslims. He posts garbage on social media about Islam and the Muslims. So he's an enemy of Islam and Muslims, without any doubt. But the question is that this enemy of Islam has a beautiful car and he wants to sell it for a very, very nice and low price. Can I buy it? Halal, haram? Of course, you can buy it. The Prophet ﷺ, the companions, used to buy from idol worshippers, other mushriks. And they used to buy from the Jews. And they used to buy from the fire worshippers and trade with them. There's no problem in that, none whatsoever. But you have to weigh the pros and cons. So imagine if I were to buy a car from someone that is a real enemy of Islam and everybody knows about it, and they see me shaking hands with him and signing a contract and taking my car. Did I do haram? No, not at all. It's totally halal. Then what's wrong with that? What's wrong is it appropriate for me as a well-known da'i, as a celebrity, to be a role model for others to buy things from not any Tom, Dick or Harry, not any non-Muslim, an enemy of Islam? This is inappropriate. But again, halal and haram, definitely legit, definitely kosher. There's no problem in buying it, but it is best not to. It is inappropriate for you to deal with someone who you know that is an enemy, yet you still benefit him, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.